Hey guys, on today's episode I'll be showing you how to do a crystal installation. I'll be doing a sapphire double dome crystal from Crystaltimes. What you're going to need is some finger condoms or some gloves, a microfiber towel, to clean it off, and an air pump, or you could use a compressed air gun and a crystal press. Last week I showed you how to remove a crystal. It's fairly easy to do. All you need is a crystal press. I'll be doing a crystal installation on my golden turtle, and here is the crystal. It's a nice double dome crystal. It has clear AR on it. So what I like to do for my installation, I like to clean it off a little bit. Make sure you have your finger gloves on. And then what I like to do is snug that crystal in a little bit. Just finger push down a little bit. And then what I like to do with this, because these are metal, I don't want to scratch the bottom of the case. And it won't scratch the crystal because the crystal is sapphire. And then what you do is you just push down, make sure it's even. And then push down, give it a nice press. Do it a few times, make sure. It looks like it went in pretty good. Let's just do it one more time. Yeah, it looks like it went in just fine. Now what you do is you install the movement. Just be careful. Put the crown back in. And the case back. Make sure to have the gasket. And there you are. You successfully installed the crystal. Alright guys, Just want to show you how to do that real fast. It's really easy. Have a wonderful day.